I go by the name of Rowz, and you are now watching Making Noise TV.
This that real deal, Holyfield. Let me put you in the mood, girl. I don't wanna chill, I just wanna get a feel, girl. Tell me what it be like, what the business. Screaming out my government, God's my witness, I'm gifted. Way too smooth for these other suckers. I mean, right now I'm kind of excited. For real, I'm super excited. I'm a bit nervous, but it's more like anxiousness. So like, I'm with it. As soon as you hear the beat, I'm just the loud music. I'm ready to get it popping.
I'm from Montreal, Canada. Stayed out in the West Island for the majority of my life. You know, I'm a city boy now. Just living with my brother and my mom, holding it down.
When was the first time you realized you were creative?
Shit, maybe I guess fucking around in high school. Like, to be really honest with you, like doing like drama, leadership class, and like hosting. Nothing too serious until we got older, until like out of high school. Until out of high school, I was just finding more of a love for the craft and just fucking around with shit. And I would say when things got really like, you know, I'm really gonna take my shit serious and start doing it, like literally last year. And that's like leaving a trip to LA, going to LA, shit inspired me. Because you just realize there's just other people like everywhere doing it, and there's just more to it, and it's just like, you gotta eat and sleep in it.
Bitches call me Poppy, all of them around me, call me Poppy, 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 Poppy. I'ma have to call it.
She calling me Poppy, she won't leave me alone. She jocking my style, I can feel it. Leave her on scene to delete it.
Montreal's tight. I love the city. Everyone's doing a lot of cool shit, and it's like, at this point, because I feel like now we're running our own shit. We're the newer generation. We're younger. Like, we have more of a say. Like, I feel like everyone fucks with each other. You know what I mean? If you see someone doing this shit, most people fuck with it. But I feel like everyone as a whole, if you want to see like an artist out here like on a bigger platform, you gotta support and show love. That just comes from that. And I feel like we all have that. It's just about finding that right person we want to show love to. You know?
You have a message for like people that really think, like they believe that if you're trying to make it, you have to go to places like LA. You have to make it in maybe Toronto or outside Montreal. What do you?
I honestly feel like you can do it anywhere. That's fact. I haven't even fully did it myself. I'll be completely real with you, but I feel like you can do it anywhere because you hear about all these stories. You know what I mean? You just have to have that microphone and that passion to go do it.
As a rapper, what makes you different from other rappers?
Being super, super laid back and cool.
Yeah.
Cool shit. I'm cool. I'm on a different level, different planet. My motivation for me is just always speaking to my mom. Just because it's just us, my mom and my dad and my homies, just being around them all the time. Also, for me, I just want to just do shows. Continue doing a bunch of shows at the city. Getting people to know the name, get to know the West Island. So yeah, man, we got new music coming through, by the way. Like November, October, that's when I'm trying to be releasing new music. I like taking time on my shit. Yeah. We're actually right now, we're in St. Jerome at the Pitsy North Festival. Shout out to Grand Buddha. Grand Buddha had me out here. Yeah. We just had a crazy set, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm with Making Noise, and we're making noise right now.
Hey,
let's get it. Shout out to all my partners. Shout out to BET, shout out to CJ, shout out to S-Dot. Gotta shout out to Gang, you already know. One time.
That's your circle, let's go.
Yeah.
One time, baby. I bet. Thank you guys. To see more of our content, feel free to subscribe to our channel and hit us up with a follow on Instagram for the latest updates.